Oil filters play a crucial role in maintaining the health and longevity of your vehicle's engine. With 97.5% efficiency and 13 grams of contaminant holding capacity, these competitively priced filters are great to stock your shop with.
The Bosch Workshop Oil Filter offers a comprehensive range of features designed to provide the ultimate protection and performance for the vehicle's engine. The spiral-wound metal center tube ensures a consistent flow of oil throughout the engine, no matter the driving conditions. High-quality metal end caps block contaminants from entering your engine. The synthetic rubber anti-drainback valve retains oil even when the engine is off. The pressure relief valve ensures smooth oil flow, preventing any dry starts. The long-lasting synthetic rubber gasket ensures a secure fit, preventing any oil leaks. At its core, our oil filter features high-efficiency and high-capacity cellulose media that captures and retains a wide range of contaminants for superior engine protection.